What's up nerdies, it's Tex here, and today I'm gonna tell you how you can use peel off face mask, and I'm gonna tell my experience too, that how it was and it helped me or not. So yeah. So I have this Beardoot peel off mask, and if you wanna buy it, check the description. So let's apply this. So let it dry first. In the manual they say you have to put mask on face like 15 to 20 minutes, but I use it like 25 to 30 because it's really give best result in that time. So I recommend you to do that too. So yeah. See, it's just all dried. See, so it's stretchy, it's straight. So let's peel it. So you have to peel from like this, okay? So as you can see, my face got really smooth and like really good, and it looks really fresh. So let me just wash my face. As you can see, my face got really good by that peel off mask, and you can use it too. I really recommend it to use it, and yeah, it will really help you. So let me talk about my experience. I'm using that for past couple of weeks, like 2 or 3 weeks, and it didn't show any side effect and like any bad effects. It's really improving my skin, and literally, honestly, it's really good for my skin. That's the end of the video. Subscribe and like if you really appreciate my work. So let's bye. Subscribe.